so much?
So happy.
Well, tell us what happened.
And you complete a boy swimming.
You just did your first swim in the Great Bear. You did your part, 1 hour?
Yep, that's right.
Yeah. You know what?
What?
You get to do it all over again.
Yeah.
This is a relay, so you might do it many times. Now, how did it feel being in there?
I feel relaxed.
You felt very relaxed?
Yeah.
Were you worried about anything at all?
No.
No?
No jellyfish so far.
No jellyfish. Now, you've got your dad here with you.
Yes, it is.
Isn't that wonderful?
And then my coffee with me and my bread.
Yeah. Richard, how are you feeling about this?
Very proud.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's pretty amazing to see her out there. It's been a long time coming. She's been wanting to do this for 4 years.
Yeah.
And she's here, and we're happy you're here with her.
Yeah, no, it's impressive.
Malia?
Off the water into the middle of the ocean.
Yeah. Any last words for anybody that's watching you?
Your team!
Okay, so you're going to be going in about half an hour?
Yeah.
Okay, who's before you and after you?
Dixon is before me and Cheyenne is after me.
Okay, so is that Dixon in the water right there?
Yes.
Okay. Is there anything else you'd like to say about this swim?
I'm not too sure what else, except that it's a really nice day for a swim here. The ocean is nice and flat, there's not even a ripple, and it doesn't look like there's much of a current right now.
Okay, and what does it mean to you swimming here?
It just means being in a different part of British Columbia and seeing different things.
You're strong. Strong and brave. Whenever you're ready, just jump right in. Yeah! You're okay.
All right, Cheyenne, you've got this, girl. Let's go. Woo! Yeah. Well done, Maria. Thank you. Got this kiss. I'll wait till you come in, Ollie.
Get rid of it in the water. Ready? Go. Good job, Allie. Okay, Maria, swim number 1. Tell me what happened. How was it?
It was good, except for getting caught in that current that was pushing me backwards.
Tell me about the good stuff.
The good stuff was after once I had my goggles clear and I could see where I was going, then it went really well.
Yeah. How did you find the water?
It was actually quite nice once I got used to it.
How long were you in?
Sorry, I didn't quite hear that.
How long were you in?
About an hour.
About an hour. Okay, Cheyenne, so you're just out of the water. Let me say that again because you stuck your tongue out at Ali. You're just out of the water. How far did you swim and what was it like? A couple of kilometers, yeah. How long were you in amount of time? How did you find it? Tell me what happened out there. You got a little nervous? So, but you made it through, and how do you feel knowing that this time round you swam an hour? Last time we were here you never swam an hour. How do you feel about that? That's pretty good. Should we give you a little congratulations, Cheyenne, for doing a great job? Okay, Ali, so you were out in the water. What were you doing out there?
I was supporting my really good sister friend, and we were swimming down the channel together.
And how did it feel?
Well, this is my second home. It felt great in there.
And how did Cheyenne do? Tell me what it was like for her.
She was a little bit anxious, but once she got going and everybody was around her, I think she started to feel more comfortable.
What would you like to say to Cheyenne?
You got it, sister. You can do it.
Okay, and how do you feel about her performance?
The beginning was a little bit slow, but then once our coach Susan got in the water.
So Cheyenne, when we first came here 3 years ago, only swam for 30-40 minutes at a time. Today she swam for a full hour. What would you like to say to her?
I'm very proud of her, and I think it also shows her what she can actually do. Yeah, so I'm really proud of her.
Right there with me.
You ready, Malia? Okay, let's turn you around.
You're good? You're good? Come on. Oh, you're going to be good?
The wave's coming now.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. We picked this time just we did it this way so that the waves are past you when you go in the water. I thought about this one.
Give me a smile, Malia.
Smile to the camera.
Malia, have a great swim. All right, off you go.
Off you go. She's already passed. So
Ready? Get up there.
Get out of there.
No, I didn't. No, yet.
Yeah. Up there.
No, I didn't.
Malia.
Thank you.
You do it, Malia.
You need a boost? Do the other foot first. Perfect. That works better. Use those big powerlifting legs.
Oh, yes!
Okay, move your foot up. There.
Ready?
One. There you go.
Ready? Set.
Whenever you're ready.
Go.
Go. Whenever you're ready. Madam Butterfly. Got in. Good job. Woohoo! Get up there, Chrissy.
Good job, Malia. Way to go, Malia.
Lydia's towel, please.
Where is it?